Hello, my name's Bill Reid and I'm a volunteer with the Alma Doepel. My role here is media. I write the newsletter and I help with fundraising. Alma was built in 1903. She spent her early years up the east coast of Australia. 1916 she was sold to Henry Jones in Tasmania, where she became part of his jam fleet, and she did that pretty well through to the 60s, I believe. She was commissioned into the Australian Army, where she became part of the Australian Water Transport. So after the war, she rejoined Henry Jones in Tasmania, and she resumed her jam transportation. Towards the end of her career, they devoted Alma to limestone carrying. That's hard work on a ship, and she fell into disrepair over time, and eventually was laid up in the late 1960s, early 70s, where Sail and Adventure purchased her for the purposes of youth sail training, which is what her repurpose is today. Currently, of course, she's laid up and she's under major restoration. She's had to be stripped back and brought back to her very skeleton. We're now at the phase where we've nearly done all the frames, and planking will commence. Time is coming to an end because Alma needs to vacate the sheds that she's been very lucky enough to have had the use of all these years. The developers will need to have the shed back by the end of June 2019. There's an urgency to get Alma back in the water by the end of this year so that we can commence the refit. That will enable us then to empty the shed, which is full of all of Alma's fixtures and fittings. The original fundraising target was just over 3 million. We've reached halfway. We're probably sitting around the 1.6 million, and we need another 1.3 to finish her off. We do open to the public. We open every Tuesday at the moment throughout lunch period. Now, we do have the Soldiers at Sea exhibition running at the moment. If you've got a group of people who want to come through and have a look, you can organise a tour, $10 a head, and then we offer you morning tea and a tour of the shed. So we've come a long way. We've got until the end of June 2019 to get Alma back in the water and back to youth sail training. 1.3 million to raise. There's a number of ways this can be done. Go to our website, almadoepel.com.au. You can join the supporters club and get involved that way, and have a look at even buying a plank. $500 to buy a plank and have your name on our honour board and immortalise yourself. Thank you very much, and look forward to seeing you down at the Alma shed one day.